Hey traders, this is Scott Barkley, and I just want to take a quick minute to do a little quick video on the best Forex strategy you can do. And you need to keep it simple, right? So if you follow me on my last video, we talked about the two best indicators to use to improve your trading. So if you haven't watched that, watch this video and then go back and watch that one. It'll really help you, all right? So let me scoot my face out of here now, and we'll take a look at some charts, all right? Now, let me go over to some charts. These are all ready to trade. So, in our charts, we have separate charts here, so you can just work on them here. So let me pull up the pound dollar, all right? So here we go. And pound dollar, we'll go up to a 60-minute chart. Now, that's really important, all right? First of all, you start on a 240. It's called top-down analysis, all right? And what you have to figure out, let me get rid of that, is what is the currency doing? What is the structure? All right, so it's pretty simple here. We're actually trending here. Strange, doesn't happen very often. All right, so let me change this to a trend, which is blue for me, not channel is yellow. All right, now, the first thing you have to do is you have to prove that they know where the heart line is. So as you can see here, once I've clicked the trend on the resistance and the support, what does it prove? Yeah, we know exactly where that heart line is. Yeah, we know exactly where the heart line is. Yeah, we know exactly where that heart line is. Yeah, we know exactly where that heart line is. All right. Now, why is that important? Because of confidence. All right. If you can't prove the heart line, then you're guessing at the trend. Whoa, that's pretty big. That's right. You have to have a way to prove what you're doing. All right. So very simply, if you can find the heart line and you can figure out, what wave structure they're doing, you can see this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a very long 3, this is a 4. So we're in a fifth wave to the downside, which, by the way, is the last wave, right? So we know that we're close to the end, but we still got lots of room down here, as you can see, right? Now, the MACD is one of the indicators we talk about all the time. This is telling you you are still a seller. You are still a seller. However, it says, but that may not be for long, because that's what's called divergence, all right? So you can keep this so simple, all right? Yes, you need to know where today's target is to the downside. That would be the ATR target, all right? Now, but there's another thing that you can do which makes it very, very easy. Now, we built a tool to show this, but it's nothing more than the Fibonacci sequence, all right? So let me pull the Fibonacci sequence up here and take a look at it, all right? So here's the Fibonacci sequence: 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, and 377, okay? We have, occasionally in a winter we might get a 377 run, but typically we're in this area right in here, all right? Now, the critical number for us is 55 right there, okay? Unless we have 55 pips, we don't make a trade. Why would that be? Because the fib sequence is 55 pips, all right? That's why. Why is it the average currency does about 90 pips a day? Why is it the bigger currencies do about 140 pips a day? And in the wintertime, we'll do about 250 pips a day. It's because of the fib sequence, all right? So now that you know what it is, we have a tool that measures that. You just find the top and you click it, and it'll show you where those numbers are, all right? So just to show you how that works, the space up here on the turn is 55 pips. Why is that? Because a banker can't make the trade without 55 pips. He needs those 55 pips, all right? That leaves a very small left area here to get to 89, 55, then 89, okay? So this is 89 pips right there from the top, all right? What's the next one? It's 144. So this line right here is 144 pips from the top. What is this line? It's 233 pips from the top. What is this line? It's 377 pips to the top, all right? From the top. All right, so you say, well, I don't have that tool. Well, all you got to do is put a line up here and then put 55 pips. Then you put another 35, which is 89 from the top. Then you put another 55, and then you go to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. As you can see, they know where they are. They know where they are. They know where they are. All right. So if you simply got, and notice that they keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. That's the way the Fibonacci sequence works, because you're adding the previous number to the current to get the next one. So you can see it's this size. The next one is bigger than that. The next one's bigger than that. What do you think they did? Did they run it down? Absolutely, they did. All right. Now, so your opportunity is going to be knowing where those levels are, because those levels are very important to the bankers, all right? And so simply, when you find that you have a big space like this and you've done your work, okay, you went up there and you did your little lines, okay? I got a tool that does it, but you can do it. It's not hard. It's not rocket science, all right? And you see, they didn't falter at all. They just said, okay, let's go. And down they went. Well, they over here, when they decided to go, down they went. When they decided to go, down they went. When they decided to go, down they went, and down they went. See that? All right. Now, I'm just going to, so this is direction. Once you got direction and you're confident that it is a real trend, how do I know that? Or a channel, by the way, it's proving the heart line. Now you know the space that's left. We have now broken into this area with the next target, a really big area all the way down here. Now you can quickly see that if they go fast, they're going to slam into this. But if they meander down, they can get here. All right, see that? All right. So a very simple strategy is just to have the Fibonacci sequence and the trend or the channel on there. And now you've got a simple strategy that has high probability, because as you can see, they know the numbers. Now let me prove that to you here. I'm going to go over here to our regular charts, because we have special charts for this. Okay, so you know, over here, so we'll just take this. This is a Fibonacci chart. All right, so I'm going to go up here, and you can see on our tool, all you have to do is find the top or the bottom. But be that as may, you can do it manually. All right, so I want to show you how well they use these numbers. I just find the top, tell it I'm a seller. Do you think they know these numbers? Do you think they know these numbers? All right. How about to the upside? Do they know the numbers to the upside? Let's go see. Here's the bottom. We pop it up, right? I'm using Fibonacci because it takes the noise out. Do they know the number? 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 If they break above here, did they know that number? See that? All right, let's go back over here and find another move. Here's another big move right here. All right, let's see what they do. From the bottom, all right, Fibonacci sequence up. There we go. Did they know the number? Did they know the number? They know the number. They know the number. Do they know the number? And they knew the number. See that? Now I've done 4 in a row right there, okay? Even these little moves, they will do them, all right? So, because they're doing Fibonacci sequence, okay? So you got to spend some time understanding it. Did they know the number? Did they know the number? They blew right through that one and then down to that one. Do they know it? They knew it. Here's another up move, a big up move, okay? Remember, as you keep going up, the space between them gets bigger, which means your opportunity is bigger. If I simply knew nothing more than the channel and where the targets were, I could make great business decisions. All right. See here where this is right here. All right. So you can see they knew this top right here. They knew that top. When they finally broke it, up they go. All right. Now they pull back to get some buyers in, and when they break this top again, right up to the target. See that? All right. So it's very simple. Get the direction. Be able to prove that you know that channel and the trend is good. That means you got to have a heart line. I'm on MT4, I don't have one. That's correct. So you're going to have to use Andrew's pitchfork or do something else. All right. And there you go. And now you know bigger targets that are realistic. If you do this for 50, 60 charts, you will prove to yourself that the market is using those numbers. Now, if the market uses those numbers, then you can use those numbers too. Hope that helps you, everybody. Talk to you soon.